What's up, class? I know there was some confusion with the initial Arduino activity we did, so this is my attempt at a tutorial. That's used an online Arduino simulator, which actually is really, really good. It works well. It's on Tinkercad, so if you have an Autodesk username, you get signed in with that. It has all the components, it has the code, it has serial monitor, everything you need. For some reason, if you start a new one, it randomly names it, and I'm just going with it. So that's that. Okay. So I'm not trying to go over the activity because I still want you guys to work through that and figure that out. But I'm just going to go over basic LEDs without push buttons, without just basic outputs with the Arduino. Okay. So first thing we need to add is our Arduino Uno. Okay. Cool. Breadboard. First. Maybe. Move this down. Cool. Cool. Okay. And then we're just going to do LEDs. Just do one first, and then we'll go up from there. Okay. So we need LED. Okay. And we need resistor. Then we're going to need some jumper cables, which we'll add. Okay, so straightforward. Okay, we have LED, the resistor. We need the resistor. I'm going to first attach the ground over here. We do. There's three grounds. There's ground there, ground here, and ground there. You can use any of those. Okay, that is black, just to signify that's the ground. Okay, so then I have a resistor going from the cathode, okay, so to the ground. Okay, so that's the shorter leg. And double click it. Here, that's how you change it. This is not obviously something you would do. Maybe. Double click, there we go. Resistance. I'm just going to do 220 ohms. Okay, like the ones you use. Cool. Okay, and then we got to give this power. So we got to complete this circuit. So I'm just going to 2. And the reason I'm going to a digital pin is the Arduino is telling it when it's getting power. If I just went to the 5 volts, it would always be in power and always be on, but this is allowing the code and the computer to say when it's being used. Okay, cool. So now I bring up the code editor. Okay, don't use blocks. Can't do that with actual Arduino. Get rid of this. Okay. The void setup. Sorry, I should clear this to begin with. Because it's telling us exactly how to do it. Boy, this can go through together. Okay, so first we need to set it up. The LED as an output, and this is a step that you don't have to do in this scenario, but I do want to do, is naming it. So like const red LED equals, and it's plugged into 2. And that lets the computer know that every time we type in red in LED, we mean whatever output is plugged into 2. Okay, so when we go down here, we go pin mode red LED, and we say output. Okay, that works. I mean, technically we could do 2 and do the same thing, but we've already assigned it to 2, so we might as well use it. Red LED. Okay, cool. So now we're down here. And we're going to do, right, it's a digital right LED red LED high, which high in this case means on. Okay, and then I'm just going to turn it off. That's all I'm doing for this. Okay, so it's the first step. So upload and run. Initializing, and it's on. That's all it's doing. It's just telling it to stay on, so it's never going to change. Okay, so let's stop. Okay, it's on. Cool. Stop simulation. Okay, now we're going to add delay, which was in the challenge. I told you how to use this, but it's telling us how many milliseconds to wait. Okay, so delay 1000, and then we go digital right red LED low. So then we're going to turn it off, and then we're going to delay. Let's scroll down so you see it. For 2,000. This means it's going to be on for 1 second, and then off for 2 seconds, and because the loop is going to keep looping. Hopefully. Let's see what happens. Start simulation. Okay. And bam. Bam. Okay. You see how it's going up? Okay. Cool. So now, that's basically what was going on in our challenge, except the button was doing it. So using delay, we would have saying if the button was pressed, then you turn it on. If the button wasn't pressed, turn it off. Okay. Try to keep it simple. So now, copy and paste this. Okay, let's put it up here. Do 3 lights now. Okay. You can see I was just building off the code we already have. Okay. Copy and paste this. Go to the ground. Go to the ground. Okay. And you gotta draw. And you go to 3. Awesome. Okay, so now we have 3 lights. Now we gotta change the code so we mess with all 3. Okay, so we gotta go up here. Let's say, I'm just gonna change this to LED 1. Okay. LED 2, 3. And once again, that's where it's plugged into. So it's plugged into pin 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Then we gotta do the exact same thing here. Pin mode. LED 1. Output. Pin mode. Wow, I'm struggling. LED 3. Output. Okay, I'm change this to 2. Change this to LED 1. Okay. Now they're all set up as outputs, all connected to the right pins. So we plugged them in up here. And this. Okay, so that's all matching. Now I'm gonna have they're gonna go on and off. Okay. The digital. Right. I want just the first one to be on first. LED 1. LED 2. Below. So that's now off. Digital right. LED 3. Below 2. Okay. So now you can see for the first second, the first one's on, but the second 2 are off. Okay. We're just going to copy and paste it and just save this. So keep typing. Okay. So this is going to be now low and high. Okay. So now the second one's on. The other ones are off. And last. Just going to delay a second between each. Copy and paste. Low, low, high. And you have to save these low because you have to turn them on, or else they would stay on. Okay. And then delay. And then just go ahead and turn them all on. Blink them a couple of times for fun. I don't know. I'm just making patterns. I'm going to have a wait just for a quarter second, so real fast. If I'm blinking them, I can't just go high, high, high. This has to be low. You could do a loop if you want to for this, but like a for loop or something like that, but that's too much confusion for this first time. So we're just going to do this. I've got the delay. Okay. And then scroll down. And one more delay, and then see what the baby does. Okay, so it should go on, and this is on by itself, and this is on by itself, and it blinks a couple times. Okay. Upload and run. Uh-oh. Good, I got an error. Let's see what that is. Missing some semicolons. Probably missing a lot of... Nope. Can we see where we're missing the semicolon? Oh. This is a colon, not a semicolon. So that wasn't going to work. Okay, let's try again. Good. Bam. On. And blanks. Okay. Okay, so hopefully this helps see how you manipulate. I mean, it's all the same. Okay. You assign them pins the same. You assign them to outputs the same. Okay. And then you go from there. And the cool thing is, online, I'll share links with you. Sick Guide, Spark Fun, the website that shows you how to use most of the input to outputs we're using, and if not, they're somewhere else online. Okay, so syntax you can always look up. Don't be afraid to do that. You don't need to memorize all this, but you do need to figure out how to apply once you learn the syntax to do multiple or change it up a little bit like we are here. Okay, so hopefully this, for some of you guys that are a little confused, this helps a little bit. Okay, I'm out.